No, please, please no. Please no. Please no. Ew, David.
Ew.
Ew. Ew.
Ew.
Ew. Ew.
Katie!
I got 3 strikes.
I have a secret to tell you. All the girls know, Jeremiah knows, but you have to promise me you're not going to say anything to any of the other guys because it's not their business. But I'm a mommy.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, save £400.
Yeah. Oh, look at these two. All right, come on. You're okay? Oh, what? Either they're having an affair or they're just very shy.